All right. A lot has been learned this year with the natural, non-chemical crack key hydroponics. Number one is temperature control. Some of the seeds or some of the plants at the beginning of the season got way too hot and died. The second is the water level. This is sphagnum moss, and when the growing medium completely dries out, and I'm not sure, whatever the reason for drying out, when the growing medium completely dries out, the plant dries out and it dies. So that's two things. I lost the chia plant, and I lost one of the cucumbers. And so these are some squash that I just stuck some seeds in there. So on these, I've made sure that we have a dangling moss thing. So hopefully that will keep the moss hydrated. And I've got these, I'm trying to make sure that, trying to make sure that the water stays at a more reasonable temperature, where it had gotten way too hot earlier in the season. So keeping the moss hydrated and the temperature, and there are a number of different things. The chia got a severe nutrient deficiency, and it never recovered. The cucumber, the moss completely dried out. The roots that were down in the water were still fine, but everything above that had dried out and died. So a couple more things learned this year, and I will continue to work on this. The nutrients themselves probably need some tweaking, but they are working at this point. And if you look at this, these three seedlings already have a good strong root system down in the water, so I will keep an eye on that, and once these are large enough and it cools off a little bit, they are going in the greenhouse for the winter. I'll talk with you later.